Alright guys, so this is more of a lifestyle video. So this is a two-car garage. We're in Brooklyn. My in-laws. This is where I keep my models and stuff. That's my trusty ride. Just finished washing it. All the photos that I need to scan, so it takes up less space. All my bicycle, golf, camping equipment. My archery stuff. G.I. Joe's, Hot Wheels are all up on the top here. My creeper when I work on my car. Old Coleman stove. Golf bags. Household stuff. So we used to own a two-family house as well in Brooklyn and in Staten Island, but my wife doesn't like to drive, so that's why we moved into this city. So the city is more convenient. So this is where I store my models. Pretty much half of these boxes are all models. So I'm going to stop the video and show you guys what the inside of the box looks like. My Gary Fisher mountain bike, which I hardly use. Alright guys, so for example, this box has all my full-size Chevrolets, probably like 57 all the way to 58, 59. What else I got here? I got 57, 58, 62, which you guys saw, 63, General Lee, 67, 61, another 64, a 59, a 64 again, because I love 64s, another General Lee, another General Lee. These are my boxes with all my spare parts. So this is actually one model kit that I regret tossing out, because this monogram was really detailed. I just didn't have an appreciation for European sports cars, but now I really wish I had held on to this model, because it had a lot of options and had a lot of features like fold down back seat, fold down backs of the front seats, had luggage, trunk open and all that stuff. Inside I store like my old model kits, like this is a Chevy black gold full-size van. So this is where I spare all my parts. So actually, since I just finished the Ghostbusters and stuff, I need to fit that into my bigger boxes and stuff. So this box I use to put my semis in, because I can't fit a box big enough. So that's how I do it, guys. I just box it away, and then I know it's strange, right? I actually need to take the train 45 minutes away to get my truck when I need to use it, which is strange to a lot of people. But so right now I'm just going to put some kits away in my boxes and put them away for storage. Maybe someday when I get my mega mansion, I can pull them all out and display them. So that's it as far as storage. Alright guys, I forgot to include that it's actually a pain in the ass for me to bring these model kits unless I have to touch it up or do something with it to bring it back to Manhattan on the train and then video it in the apartment. So maybe I'll just video it from the garage. But anyway, this is an old box, 59 Impala. It's completed in one of those AMT cases, but this is where I store all my spare auto parts. This is a tank box of a Panther. I also use it to store auto parts, but that King Tiger down there, I actually use it to store my tank parts. And then in here is a box that I use to store my 172 scale armor, because it's so small. That's one advantage of 172 scale, but as you notice, they're really hard to detail. So maybe one day I'll do a video on that, but just boxes and boxes of stuff, and I have to package it correctly or else they'll be ruined.